In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Vantage account to TradingView. First, go to TradingView.com and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account for free. Once you're logged in, hover over Products at the top and click on Supercharts. When the Supercharts page opens, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Trading Panel. This will open the Broker panel. You can expand it a bit to make it easier to see. Now, under Trusted Brokers, look for Vantage. If you don't see it right away, click on Show All Brokers and scroll down. You can also press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, type in Vantage, and quickly find it in the list. Once you find Vantage, click on it and then select Connect. You'll be redirected to the login page. Here, simply enter your email address and password, then click Connect again. After that, your Vantage account will be successfully connected to TradingView, and you'll be able to start trading directly on TradingView using your Vantage account. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.